Here in Bali, women bring offerings of rice cakes, fruits, and flowers to their Hindu temple. Festivals have become much more frequent. Present-day leaders come from Batak villages like this, just as your leaders came from log cabins and frontier towns. These boys in central Sumatra are doing a plate dance, striking the plates with metal rings on their fingers. All through the islands, our children learn the music and the arts that make our country rich. Not rich in the sense of money, but rich in the pleasure of living. This girl on Bali, only 7 years old, is dancing the Laigong, the dove dance. The instruments are made from bamboo by people in the village and belong to the village. Small boys may play in the orchestra, and even the very old men. For hundreds of years, our children have learned the customs of our people, the old ways. Sometimes they dress up. These two are the king and queen of Siam. And here are visitors from Japan. Boys in Indonesia play wild men of Borneo just like you play cowboys there. And we like our disguises too.